Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly get what they want? Manipulation, when understood and used ethically, can be a powerful tool in your social arsenal. Today, we're diving into 11 psychological weapons that can help you influence and persuade others effectively. We'll also explore some insights from famous books on the topic. Let's get started. 1. Reciprocity. The principle of reciprocity is simple. People tend to return favors. When you do something nice for someone, they feel a psychological obligation to do something in return. This can be as simple as buying someone a coffee or offering genuine compliments. According to Robert Cialdini's book, Influence, The Psychology of Persuasion, this principle is one of the most powerful tools of influence. Imagine you're at a networking event and you offer to introduce someone to a valuable contact. Later, they are much more likely to assist you with a favor or support your endeavors. 2. Commitment and consistency. People like to be consistent with their commitments. If someone commits to something, even in a small way, they are more likely to follow through with larger commitments. This is why marketers often use free trials or small initial purchases to hook customers. Once someone has said yes to something small, they are more likely to say yes to something bigger later on. For example, signing a petition might seem like a minor act, but it often leads people to contribute to the cause financially or volunteer their time, maintaining consistency with their initial commitment. 3. Social proof. Humans are social creatures, and we often look to others to guide our behavior. Social proof involves using the behavior and opinions of others to influence someone. This is why testimonials and reviews are so effective in marketing. When people see that others are using and enjoying a product, they are more likely to try it themselves. Think about the last time you chose a restaurant based on its high ratings and positive reviews. The collective experience of others can be a powerful motivator. 4. Liking people are more easily influenced by those they like. This is why building rapport and finding common ground is crucial in any interaction. Compliments, genuine interest in the other person, and a friendly demeanor can make you more likable, and therefore, more persuasive. Dale Carnegie's classic, How to Win Friends and Influence People, emphasizes the importance of showing genuine appreciation and interest in others to build strong, influential relationships. 5. Authority. People tend to follow the lead of credible, knowledgeable experts. This is why endorsements from experts or celebrities can be so powerful. When you present yourself as an authority in your field, others are more likely to listen and follow your recommendations. This concept is also discussed in Cialdini's Influence, where he explains the impact of perceived authority on human behavior. For instance, wearing a lab coat can significantly increase compliance in a healthcare setting because it symbolizes expertise and authority. 6. Scarcity. The fear of missing out is a strong motivator. When people believe something is in limited supply, they are more likely to want it. This is why phrases like limited time offer or only a few left in stock are so effective. Creating a sense of urgency can drive people to take action. This principle is often used in sales and marketing to create a heightened sense of demand and prompt quicker decisions. 7. The contrast principle. This principle involves presenting two options to highlight the difference between them. When you present a less appealing option first, the second option appears much more attractive by comparison. This technique is often used in sales, where a high-priced item is shown before a more reasonably priced one, making the latter seem like a better deal. For example, real estate agents often show clients a house that needs work before showing a much nicer property, making the second house seem even more appealing by contrast. 8. The door-in-the-face technique. This technique involves making a large request that is likely to be rejected, followed by a smaller, more reasonable request. The idea is that the person will feel bad about saying no twice and will be more likely to agree to the smaller request. This tactic plays on the principle of reciprocity and the desire to appear reasonable. For instance, if you ask someone to donate a large sum of money and they refuse, they might be more inclined to donate a smaller amount when you ask again. 9. The foot in the door technique. This is the opposite of the door in the face technique. It involves starting with a small request that the person is likely to agree to, followed by a larger request. Once someone has agreed to a small request, they are more likely to comply with a larger one, maintaining their sense of consistency. A classic example is asking someone to sign a petition. Once they agree, they are more likely to agree to volunteer or donate money to the cause later. 10. Framing. How you present information can significantly influence how it is perceived. Framing involves presenting the same information in different ways to influence decision-making. For example, saying 90% fat-free is more appealing than saying contains 10% fat. Effective framing can shape perceptions and drive behavior. In negotiations, presenting the benefits of your proposal first can frame the discussion in a positive light, increasing the likelihood of agreement. 11. The power of silence. Silence can be a powerful tool in negotiation and influence. When you make a request or present an offer, staying silent can create a sense of discomfort, prompting the other person to fill the void, often in your favor. This technique is highlighted in Chris Voss's book, Never Split the Difference, where he explains how silence can be used strategically in high-stakes negotiations. For example, after making a proposal, remaining silent forces the other party to respond, often revealing their thoughts and potentially giving you the upper hand. Conclusion. Understanding and ethically using these psychological weapons can significantly enhance your ability to influence and persuade others. Whether you're negotiating a raise, convincing someone to see your point of view, or simply trying to build better relationships, these tools can be incredibly powerful. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share your thoughts and any additional persuasion techniques in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.